Hi, this is Mark from Alert Labs, and you're watching the Humie installation video. The first thing you're going to need to set up Humie is an Alert Labs cellular sensor with a green blinking light. Next, you're going to want to pull that tab to turn on Humie. You'll see the green blinking light on Humie there. The easiest way to install Humie is to place it on a flat surface. And when you do that, make sure that there's at least 1 inch on all sides. You can see the slots there. That allows air to flow through it, and also never get Humie wet. You can also hang Humie on a wall. Make sure it's about 4 feet off the ground. Use a stud finder to find a stud. Slip the collar onto the screw and screw it into the wood. And then the keyhole is oriented like that on the back. It slips over the screw. That's better. You can always tighten that screw too if it's too loose. And this is the drywall install. That's the drywall anchor. Make sure that that sharp bit goes through the wall first. You can beat it in with the end of a screwdriver. And now you can screw in the drywall anchor. Make sure it's nice and flush. Slip the collar over the screw. Screw it in. Make sure that the collar is tight to the anchor. And hang it like you did with the wall stud installation. You got any questions? Visit us at alertlabs.com.